Hi, this is Lalita from Super German Academy. You're watching Class 7 Hallo Deutsch. Module 3, Lesson 2. The name of the lesson is Meine Schulsachen. Meine Schulsachen bedeutet My School Stationery. This video is about school stationery, how they are to be called in German. Then example sentences using the school stationery. German verbs used in this lection, then adjectives, then subject names like mathematics, geography, IT, etc. All these subjects, how they are to be called in German. Then weekdays like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, how you can call them in German. Then example sentences on these subjects and weekdays. Schulsachen bedeutet School Stationery. Let's see how they are called in German. Bleistift bedeutet Pencil, Kugelschreiber bedeutet Pen, Spitzer bedeutet Sharpener, Ridergummi bedeutet Eraser, Textmarker bedeutet Highlighter, Filzstift bedeutet Sketchpen. Schultasche bedeutet Schoolbag, Skiri bedeutet Scissors, Mappi bedeutet Folder, Landkarte bedeutet Map. Buch bedeutet Book, Heft bedeutet Notebook, Lineal bedeutet Ruler, Mapchen bedeutet Pencil Case. Now these are all the singular nouns and these are the plural nouns of these all the singular nouns. Bücher bedeutet Books, Hefti bedeutet Notebooks, Bleistifte bedeutet Pencils, Filzstifte bedeutet Sketchpens, Lineally bedeutet Rulers, Kugelschreiber bedeutet Pens. If it is one pen, then you have to say einen Kugelschreiber. The same name is for plural, but for plural you have to specify the number before Kugelschreiber. Suppose you want to say 2 pens, then you have to say zwei Kugelschreiber. If you want to say 3 pens, then you have to say drei Kugelschreiber. So the same pattern repeats for the nouns which have the same name for both the singular and plural. Mapchen bedeutet Pencil Cases, Spitzer bedeutet Sharpeners, Landkarten bedeutet Maps, Kidney bedeutet more than one pair of scissors, Schultaschen bedeutet Schoolbags, Ridergummis bedeutet Erasers. Fragt und antwortet bedeutet question answers. Let's see question answers on this school stationery. The first question, was hast du in deinem Mäppchen? Bedeutet, what do you have in your pencil case? Ich habe 3 Kugelschreiber, ich habe 2 Bleistifte. Bedeutet, I have 3 pens and I have 2 pencils. Here for 3 Kugelschreiber it is 3 pens. Kugelschreiber is same for both singular and plural as I said earlier. But for the plural form you have to specify the number before the Kugelschreiber. In this example it is 3 Kugelschreiber. It means 3 pens. Zwei Bleistifte means 2 pencils. Bleistift means 1 pencil. Zwei Bleistifte means 2 pencils. Second one, was hat Stephen in seinem Mäppchen? What does Stephen have in his pencil case? Stephen had einen Textmarker und ein Lineal. Stephen has a text marker and a ruler. Here text marker is masculine noun, that is why einen article is used, and lineal is a neutral noun, so ein is used. Here deinem, seinem are called as possessive articles and these are used in accusative case. This meinem, deinem, seinem. Meinem means mine, deinem means yours, seinem means his, item means her. In this way, these possessive articles are used in the accusative sentences. Third one, wie viele Kugelschreiber hast du? How many pens do you have? Ich habe 3 Kugelschreiber. I have 3 pens. You can say Kulis or Kugelschreiber also. Wie viele Bücher hast du? How many books do you have? Ich habe 2 Bücher. I have 2 books. The German verbs that are used in this lection are brauchen, suchen and finden. Let's see what do they mean, how to conjugate them and how to make sentences using these German verbs. The first verb is brauchen, bedeutet to need. So let's see its conjugation. Subject singular, ich brauche, du brauchst, es braucht, sie brauchen. For subject plural, wir brauchen, ihr braucht, sie brauchen, sie brauchen. If you see the brauchen conjugation, the pattern is similar, so the pattern is not changing, so this type of verb is called as a regular verb. So brauchen is a regelmäßig. Beispiele. Let's see examples how to use brauchen. Brauchst du die Skiri? Bedeutet, do you need the scissors? Brauchst du means do you need. Die Skiri means the scissors. Ja, ich brauche es. Bedeutet, ja, yes, ich brauche es. I need it. Second one, brauchst du das Heft? Do you need that notebook? Nein, no, das brauche ich nicht. I do not need that. Brauche ich nicht. I do not need. Das means that. Braucht sie einen Kugelschreiber? Does she need a pen? Ja. Sie braucht einen Kugelschreiber. Does she need a pen? The next verb is suchen. Suchen bedeutet to search. Let's see its conjugation. For subject singular, ich suche, du suchst, sie es sucht, sie suchen. For subject plural, wir suchen, ihr sucht, sie suchen. Beispiele. Was sucht bedeutet what is he searching for or what is he looking for. Sucht eine Mappe. He is searching for a folder. Was suchst du? What are you searching for? Ich suche einen Spitzer. I'm searching for a sharpener. Was suchen sie? What are they searching for? Sie suchen die Hefte. They are searching for the notebooks. Was sucht Tina? What is Tina searching for? Tina sucht eine Landkarte. Tina is searching for a map. Adjectives. The adjectives used in this lection are prima bedeutet great, super bedeutet super, toll bedeutet great, interessant bedeutet interesting, einfach bedeutet easy or simple. These are the positive way of expressions. Next, langweilig bedeutet boring, doof bedeutet stupid, skúver bedeutet difficult. These last three are the negative way of expressions. Let's see how the subjects are called in German. For subject it is Fach and for subjects it is Facher. For German, Deutsch, Mathematics, Sport, Geography, Erdkunde, Biology, French, Französisch, Spiritual, Religion, English, History, Geschichte, Music, Art, Kunst, IT, Informatik. Let's see the weekdays, how they are to be called in German. Wochentags, Monday, Montag, Tuesday, Dienstag, Wednesday, Mittwoch, Thursday, Donnerstag, Friday, Freitag, Saturday, Samstag, Sunday, Sonntag. And for weekend it is called an Wochenende. The other German verb is finden. Finden bedeutet to find. Let's see its conjugation. For subject singular, ich finde, du findest, sie es findet, sie finden. For subject plural, wir finden, ihr findet, sie finden. This finden is a regular basic. Let's see few example sentences. Beispiele. We find it Erkunde. How does he find geography? Erkunde means geography subject. How does he find? If you see conjugation, it is find it, right? So we find it Erkunde means how does he find geography? Find it Erkunde good. He finds geography good. We find it the music. How does she find music? She find it music langweilig. She finds music boring. Langweilig means boring. We find in the Deutsch. How do you find Deutsch? Here the is formal you. Ich finde Deutsch good. I find Deutsch good. I find German good. We find this you English. How do you find English? Ich find it English interessant. I find English interesting. Lastly, Pract und Antwortet. The first question is, was ist dein Lieblingsfach? Here Lieblingsfach means favorite subject. So what is dein Lieblingsfach means what is your favorite subject? Mein Lieblingsfach is Mathematics. Bedeutet, my favorite subject is Mathematics. Second question, was hat Tina am Montag? What does Tina have on Monday? For weekdays we have to use am preposition. Am Montag had sie Deutsch, Mathematics, Sport und Erkunde. On Monday she has German, Mathematics, Sports and Geography. Wann hat Tina Music? Bedeutet, wann does Tina have music? Am Montag, am Dienstag, am Mittwoch und am Freitag. On Monday, on Tuesday, on Wednesday and on Friday. Stephen, wie findest du Mathe? Stephen, how do you find mathematics? Mathe finde ich langweilig. I find mathematics boring. Welche Sprachen lernt Tina? What languages is Tina learning? Here Sprache means language. Sprachen means languages. So welche Sprachen lernt Tina means what languages is Tina learning? Tina learnt Music, Kunst und Sport. Bedeutet Tina is learning music, art and sport. Thank you for watching. If this video helped you, like, share and comment our video. If you want to watch more such videos, subscribe to our channel Super German Academy and hit the bell icon to get further notifications of other videos. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.